This is Rob Levy with the Rob Levy Real Estate Team, sharing my years of experience with you. Check out this terrific Progress Ridge townhome in Beaverton. Wonderful neighborhood, close to shopping, stores, parks, trails, and more. Let's go inside and see the stairs that lead upstairs. And of course, right here on the left is a single car garage. Coming up the stairs to the main level, we've got a dining area. Opens into the spacious kitchen with peninsula counters, wide appliances, and of course the living room right here with a gas fireplace, beautiful laminate floors, large patio, wall unit air conditioners with separate thermostats. And you can see the patio kind of overlooks the area. Again, the kitchen, going down the hallway towards the bedrooms. Laundry area, the hot water tank. This is electric heat. You can see one of the heaters right there. This is the second bedroom. Of course, there's a full-size closet. And there's one bathroom that's shared by the master. And there's the bathroom with the shower off to the left. And the master bedroom has its own wall unit, thermostatically controlled air conditioner, and a walk-in closet. Again, going back out to the living room, kitchen area, and we'll take a look at the patio. So you can see some pretty good views here. This is the little neighborhood shopping center, just right across the street from the entrance to this development.